What's up, guys? It's us, Mountain, Colorado. So this is my Novara woman's Bliss. Yes, it's a woman's bike. This was my mom's, but you know it works. So that's pretty much all that matters. And yeah, so stay tuned for. We have 3 videos coming out. We have 2 more bike checks, and we have a slime video actually, like how to put slime and stuff. So yeah, let's just get right into this. So this is a speed sheet. So it's a woman's seat. It's WTB. That's who makes it. And then and then down here we have some WTB single strike speed disc tires and some XC Wolf WTB tires. And so yeah, and then we have Shimano disc brakes. We have a Shimano derailleur. Yeah, we have a Shimano shifter up here. Shimano shifter derailleur, yeah. So we have some XLC wheels or pedals. Those are pretty nice. They grip your shoes very well, especially with some 510s. We got RockShox front. We have RockShox back, RockShox front, Dart front shocks, bar back RockShox. Up here we have Shimano disc brakes, front and back, and then like I said, Shimano shifters. We have some Ergon grips. These are actually really amazing. They really help, like when you're pedaling uphill. To these, yeah, palm grips. We have a Rich D head tube. We have a WTB top cap, WTB spacers, and those. We have Rich D bars, comp riser, and what else do we have? We have a Rich D seat post. I'm not sure what that is. I think that's just REI brand. And then we have a lizard skin chainstay pad. Always need one of those. People Jackson will tell you the story about that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, see ya!